Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to put markings on your erhu. Right, putting markings really help you to identify where you need to press on the string. So before I begin with the tutorial, you need to prepare a few things beforehand. You need paint markers here. It can be any color. It can be like white, red, green, pink, whatever colors you like, as long as you find that it's visible to you. And the tuner here. Apart from all these things that you need to prepare, you also need to know how to tune your erhu. So if you don't know how to do it, I'm going to leave my video tutorial here if you're watching on YouTube and also in the video description. So go check it out. So after tuning your erhu, we shall proceed on with the tutorial. So you can see here, I've already started marking. The first dot is D major scale, Re, which is E on the inner string. You can see the charts. I've already placed the corresponding alphabets for each marking position. You have to dot on the inner string, which is the string D, also known as 内弦 in Chinese. Play on your inner string to keep it accurate. Make sure the dots are visible by scraping the paint onto the string. And also, now you can see the tuner on the screen. Make sure that the needle is in the middle or else adjust your finger. Now back to the chart. A little tip here, don't press too hard with your fingers. Press normally. And also, don't play too loudly because it will affect the accuracy. Now let me finish up with all the markings. Okay, I'm done. So I've showed you how to put the markings on the string of the erhu. I know some of you like to put the markings on the neck of the erhu, but I really don't recommend it because I just tried it for the sake of this video and I instantly regretted it because it stained the neck of my erhu. And I'm having a hard time removing it. So don't try this at home. Anyway, that's the end of my video. Do remember to share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Bye bye!